Ayatollah Khamenei has been quickly moved to a safe location at this point of time. He is not in Tehran. This is what we are learning of. So he's been shifted to a secure location. At the same time, what we are also learning from our sources is that 30 targets across Iran have been simultaneously hit. So it's not a single operation, or rather not a single attack, but a joint operation, of course, with Israel and US working in tandem, but also it's a widespread target that they had in fact planned off. It was not just a few spots that they were thinking of in terms of a preemptive strike that they have been referring it to. It was a well-planned, well-coordinated operation that we now see being executed against Iran, all of which, let us remind you, taking place while the United States and the Iranian side have been in talks over the nuclear enrichment in Iran. That's been a discussion between the two sides that has been underway. There has been, of course, escalations between both sides in terms of verbal escalation so far. Military-wise, if we see, of course, military pressure was being mounted by the United States, but this comes in to be the first execution of an attack from the Israeli side with backing from the United States amid all that was happening already in West Asia. Now, let me quickly tell you, mobile phone lines have been cut in parts of eastern and western Tehran already. Internet connectivity has weakened in some areas. This is what the Iranian media at this point of time has come out to report. Very crucial details coming in, viewers, at this point as we speak. I'll bring back Pranay into the conversation here. Pranay, details coming in, confirming at this point. We also have, Pranay, before I come to you, let me take in Rajesh Pawar, who's joining us on the broadcast. Rajesh, what is it that you are learning at this point of time on these very attacks? It's a well thought out and a well executed attack in terms of the fact that it's not one place that's been targeted. 30 locations, as many as 30 locations have been targeted in this operation.
Absolutely, Sneha. The preparations for this attack was going on for almost now 3 weeks. And it was imminent. We all knew this attack is coming, a combined attack by Israeli forces and American forces. And as you are well aware, that in the initial stages of the war, it is the air defense of the enemy which is neutralized first. And that's what Israelis and Americans are doing right now. They are targeting all air defense sites of Iran right now so that the air defense capability of Iran can be neutralized. After that, the aircrafts and the other air elements of Israeli and American Air Force could operate much more freely over the Iranian airspace and can bring much more damage. And all these preparations were going on for last 3 weeks, and the attack was imminent. We all were aware of that. Sneha.